Like stashing. Oh, oh, oh. She likes stashing. Oh, oh, oh. She likes
boys, parties, style, fame.
She likes.
Hi guys, my name is Oyin Damola and you're welcome to this year's first episode of The Gist on Plug TV, that program where we bring you all the sizzling gist in the entertainment industry. I know you all are yearning and itching to know what we have in stock for you today, but as Yorubas will say, the person that we are bringing bride for, they always stretch neck. So sit back, wait, and enjoy what we have for you today. My name is Oyin Damola. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back to The Gist on Plug TV. To start with, it's like the wedding bells are going to be ringing a lot in 2020. First, we had the proposal of Davido and Chioma. Next, we had Harry Songs and his mystery girlfriend, Isioma. But do you know the one that shocked me the most? Gedoni and Kafi of Big Brother Nigeria 2019. With all the this one, that one that people were saying about their immoralities in the house, they still came out as couple. It's like it's the people that have a lot of in the house that always end up being coupled. I did not mention names before anybody goes all bam bam on me. But come to think of it, what would their hashtag be? Kedoni 2020? Gadoni 2020? Gadaki 2020. I am here and I am watching and I am waiting to see the drama that is going to come out. I still have a lot of gist for you. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back to The Gist on Plug TV. We're just few days into the new year and you all will agree with me that we have had our wedding of 2020. I don't want to mention him, but you already know who I'm talking about. Somebody from the Kardashian family of Lagos. If drama had a face, these people will be right in front because you will now explain to me how one person will have up to 200 bridesmaids on our wedding. Kilo dekila and bolova, what are we doing? In my whole life, I don't know if I know up to 10 girls for me to even have up to 100 bridesmaids, for me to not even go as far as 200 bridesmaids. I don't know when I'm getting married, but on my wedding day, I'm sure I am not even having up to 200 guests, only for one person, any conscious show, to come and have 200 bridesmaids. I don't know where she got all these girls from, but an in-house source told me that this woman actually paid event ushers to come and pose as bridesmaid. All these things we do for clout, only to beat Guinness World Record. I think on my own wedding, I should have like 300 bridesmaids, or what do you guys think? Don't go anywhere. It's still The Gist on Plug TV. It has been a season of bass boosts on Instagram between popular entertainer Tunde Ednut and US-based rapper slash political aspirant Speedality Speedometer, my own person. Hey. We all know Tunde Ednut for always causing trouble and looking for drama where there is no drama. And we also know Speedality for not taking nonsense from anybody. My own kind of person. Emitting me of Foshi. Anyways, Tunde Ednut came with his usual drama to come and tell Speedality that he made him. I made you the star you are today. I made you who you are today. Blah, blah, blah. Then Brother Speedality came out and said, no, you didn't make me who I am today. Don't go and pass your mouth, or else I will call Divya and give him 20,000 naira to scatter your career and get you deported. And it is not in my mouth that you will hear, but we heard that Tunde Ednut does not have papers. So if they just put one of his arms into his matter and they deport him to Nigeria,
don't make me get you deported, bro. I won't warn you again.
we will be there live and direct to hear the gist, and I will be there to bring you people the update, because it is stories like this me are always like, don't go anywhere. It is still The Gist with Oyin Damola on Plug TV. So guys, let me give you the last background of this episode. It's like Brother Davido has plans to overthrow Wizkid as king of baby mama drama. Few days ago, Davido posted a picture of himself cruising in his private jet. Sophie Momodu posted a picture of herself cruising in the same private jet. Now, trust Nigerians to always put two and two together. They came out to conclude that Davido and Sophie Momodu are going on trips together. And you know how Davido always do. Like Chioma has cooked one kind of a for real for him. Immediately, he came out to say that they were not going on a trip together. He was going to Ghana and she too was going to Ghana. So he decided to give her a lift in his private jet because he does not want Imade to stay at home. You know, Ghana is like Oshodi, that you give people lifts. But God, in my life, let them be giving me lifts in private jet. Or better still, let me be giving people lifts in private jet. So let me give you guys one bonus gist. I heard Neil that Buhari impregnated. Hey, see how you are concentrating. So you like this like this. Turn to your neighbors. Hey neighbor, I'm a boy with no. That's all we can take on the Gist with Plug TV. Before you go, do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe to Plug TV to keep getting sizzling gist. My name is Oyindamola. Bye.
Like gossip.